ओके सो 3, 2, 1 एंड हियर वी गो। सलाम नमस्ते 90.4 सामुदायिक रेडियो स्टेशन पर दोस्तों बहुत बहुत स्वागत है, खास स्वागत है क्योंकि हमारी हॉट सीट पर आज कोई बहुत खास विराजमान है। खास सलाम में आपको पता है जब भी हमारी कुछ बातचीत होती है, नए आइडियाज की बात होती है, नई पहल की बात होती है, कुछ इनोवेशन की बात होती है, जज्बे की बात होती है, जुनून की बात होती है। ये सब कुछ आज होगा लेकिन आज के गेस्ट के साथ। आइए इनका स्वागत करते हैं। सर, वार्म वेलकम टू रेडियो सलाम नमस्ते। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ब्लेसिंग द हॉट सीट टुडे। आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे सुनने वालों के लिए अपने बारे में कुछ बताएं।
First of all, Varsa, thank you so much for having me here.
Pleasure having you.
And it's really, great honor to be in your studio today. I'm Mr. Ganesh Sharma. I'm principal of Global Indian International School, Noida. And I have been in education for last 25 years now. And I started as a teacher from a boarding school, and I've been in boarding school for a long time. And then, of course, all different schools under different boards and all. And our organization, Global Indian International School, is a part of Global School Foundation, a Singapore-based chain of schools. And I'm with this organization last 10 years. I'm associated. I was in Bangalore heading another campus. Last 5 years I'm in Noida.
Oh, wow.
And it's been a wonderful journey for last 10 years, especially with Global Indian International School. And and it's always good to be with the students and teachers.
Wow.
Ever since I've started my career. So it's very live environment when students and young people are around. As I was telling you that
Yes.
you are surrounded by all young.
Yes, the young vibes always make you energetic.
So it
Yeah.
always keep you kind of alive and
Keep moving on.
Keep moving.
Yes,
and,
yes, yes.
And gives a lot of energy. And every day, whatever like stress or anything, any disappointment you have, but once you see children,
Yes.
small children especially, everything will kind of fade.
Absolutely, bang on. ये जो वाइब होती है ना यंग जनरेशन के साथ काम करने की, इसका मजा ही अलग है, इसका जोश अलग है, जुनून अलग है। और आपके 25 साल बेमिसाल, I could see the twinkle in your eye while you were describing that, and I'm really sure that during your tenure you must have touched lives, you must have brought impact in them, and you must have left imprints in everybody's hearts. हम 2023 के समापन की ओर जा रहे हैं. It's kind of we are stepping into a new year. But then as we come to the culmination of every year, we do remember how that entire year was. आपसे जानते हैं 2023 कितना शानदार रहा, कितना जानदार रहा. How was the entire year in terms of that educational body where you belong to?
So 2023 it's been a fantastic journey, and every year it's a new kind of achieving a new milestone. 2023 में बहुत सारे innovation हुए हैं in our organization with our students. Our students, they have achieved a lot, and they have gone to our all alumni and our old students. They have been doing wonderful after passing out from our school. So 2023 has been a wonderful journey in terms of innovation, in terms of academics, in terms of we have a beautiful concept in our school called 9 gems, and that is related with overall development of an individual.
Okay.
And this is where we have worked a lot in terms of kind of fine tuning and kind of identifying the inherent potential of each and every child.
Oh wow,
and
wonderful.
giving them opportunity, those opportunities and all. Recently we have done the entrepreneurship challenge, and that generally you will see in colleges and all, but first
Yes.
time we did it in school level.
Amazing.
Where this inter-school competitions and all. Our students are brilliant. I mean, they
Wow.
do wonderful, and their ideas and all like mind-blowing. And we, when I go for our observation and all, I see even a student of class 5, class 6. Nowadays, they are different generation. Their thought process, their way of thinking, the way of they observe things in society, and kind of an observation they have. It's commendable.
Amazing.
It's amazing. Yeah.
Wow. Things have changed, generation has changed, the IQ level of students are just skyrocketing. I mean, when we say there are stars, then there are countless. आसमान में एक चांद जरूर होता है और उस तरह के हमारे मेंटोर होते हैं, लेकिन सितारे बहुत सारे होते हैं. ये इस बात का एग्जाम्पल है कि चांद की चमक से सितारे भी चमक रहे होते हैं. लेकिन आज की डेट में जब आप सितारों की बात करते हैं तो सितारे मतलब दिन प्रतिदिन अपनी चमक नई चमक ला रहे हैं. दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज इनोवेशन एंड दैट्स व्हाट सर वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग इट टू अस. इट वाज entirely like so enchanting or inspiring, and this proves age is just a number.
Yes.
And
absolutely.
at any age, students of today are bringing great examples. I'm like, if I was a student, I would have taken admission in your school, and I would have taken that opportunity in that entrepreneurship, leadership skills, and to get myself into something where I could bring innovation to the society. But having said that, bringing stories of those innovation on radio and on different platforms is equally very magical. So I could smell that magic happening in the school. Now that we are at the culmination of the year, a lot of new things are also on the platter. So let's talk about what's really up front. जब हम साल का समापन करते हैं तो बिल्कुल ही शान और शानदार तरीके से करते हैं. तो ये साल का कल्मिनेशन कितनी शान और कितनी शानदार तरीके से हो रहा है.
देखिए हर साल का जो आखिरी महीना होता है, आई मीन एंड ऑफ द ईयर जिसे हम कहते हैं, इट्स ऑलवेज एक्साइटिंग बिकॉज वन इज दैट यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ईयर एंड देन अगेन यू आर सो एक्साइटेड फॉर द अपकमिंग ईयर, द न्यू ईयर. So this time, month of December is always full of excitement in school. One is that, of course, the winter
Yes.
is, we are welcoming winter, and then at the same time, you are done with all the activities and all the functions, events, and everything planned in your calendar. It's almost over, and you are moving towards the culmination, and then kind of end of the year and examination and all. But before examination, this carnival, Christmas carnival or winter carnival, you call it.
Yes.
It's fantastic, and they all are students. In fact, not only students, I would say parents, teachers, and all of us. We look forward to this wonderful time, and so that we can be together. We can, create some memories. We can enjoy. We can invite our friends, families, and everybody. And we can be together, and we have a lot of excitement. Every year we plan that, what surprise we can give it to our students.
Yes.
When they come for carnival and all, and what we can do. So we do a lot of brainstorming and ideation with the teachers and all, and say, look, tell us that what else we can do, how we can create that wow factor.
Wow. Yeah.
So this year also a lot of surprises are there. I'm not disclosing it here. But, you'll everybody, all our students, friends,
so we invite everybody to be there so that you could see
you'll have
what's
to be
special
there.
happening
you
this
need
carnival.
to come and see the surprise yourself.
Absolutely.
So we are really looking forward, and we are very excited.
Wonderful. Carnivals, and especially Christmas carnivals, give you a message that the entire year was good, we did better, but we are looking at the best, and the best is to happen. So इस बार का जो कार्निवल है सर, उसकी डेट, कुछ डिटेल्स, क्या थीम है, what special everybody could witness at, वो थोड़ा सा अगर listeners को बता दें.
So डेट जो है वो 16th December है.
16th December.
हमने इसलिए थोड़ा पहले रखा है कि ताकि because we know the end of the year and towards Christmas, 25th December and all, people are generally in holiday mood.
Yes,
and they go somewhere. So but we thought that 1 week before we will do it, so that we can have a huge footfall in our campus, and we can invite everybody, and everyone will get opportunity.
Yeah.
Believe me, this time we are inviting all other schools also. A lot of other schools are coming.
Wow.
The community and all our people, those who are around us, we are inviting everybody, and this is the reason that we reach out to a platform like FM, and also that we can invite everyone to our school, and we will be really happy to kind of show them what we are doing, and activities, as I said, that as we plan every year, that what new we can do. For an example, this year we are also planning to show them kind of on a solar system. So that's a surprise. Then we will be having a flash mob, and then performances. I must tell you that we have invited people from outside also. A lot of artists, they will be coming and performing, and in school are our own students. Throughout the day, whole day, we one after another we'll have their performances, which parents can witness, and then enjoy while walking around. They can have fun, and our students are preparing very hard to show their talent, to all our audience, parents, and whoever comes. But yes, we have some special artists also coming from outside, and they will have special performances over there. And I'm sure that everybody will have wonderful food, of course.
Oh yes. Winter is the time to relish with food. Yes.
Of course, we have a lot of varieties, and so that we have taken care of the taste and kind of their interest and what they like.
Yes.
So we have done that way our preparation. Our team, they have worked really hard, and I'm sure that together we'll have wonderful time.
Yes,
create
absolutely.
Wonderful memories together.
Absolutely. This looks like a gala preparation. It looks like a gala invite. This absolutely looks like a community celebration because, like sir said, artists आएंगे, performances होंगी, concepts हैं, solar system, science देखने को मिलेगा, youth देखने को मिलेगा. The entire generation is coming together to celebrate this. 2023 साल सिर्फ हमारा आपका बच्चों का नहीं, पूरी दुनिया का रहा है और इस पूरे साल में बहुत सारी चीजें हुई हैं. सारी चीजों को एक साथ सेलिब्रेट करने का एक बहुत खास दिन है. मैंने अपना कैलेंडर मार्क कर लिया. वो दिन है 16 December and that's the carnival happening at this special school. सर आप टाइमिंग्स, एड्रेस एक बार आपके द्वारा पता चल जाए तो.
So timing मैंने बता दिया आपको. 16 December we will start around 9 o'clock in the morning and it will go up to evening, and the location is Global Indian International School, Noida, Sector 71. And most importantly, you are also coming.
Absolutely, I'll be there. Radio Salam Namaste will definitely be there.
So Radio Salam Namaste will be there, and we are so excited to have you. And I'm sure that our parents will, have a wonderful time when you will be there, and we all will have a wonderful time. And it's, we are looking forward to, welcoming Salam Namaste.
Wow, wonderful. Let's celebrate it all together because when we say that the celebration should happen, it should not just happen with the festival, it should also happen with the achievements, with the talent which we have, which the glamour the society has, and the community colorful aspects. So community colorful aspects के साथ साल का समापन किया जा रहा है. ये बहुत ही स्पेशलिटी वाली बात है. But now that we are stepping into the new year, before we wrap up the discussion today, we would definitely want to know what is in platter of 2024. What is the mission and vision you must be having?
What we are planning 2024, new academic year when we'll start. Of course, the new year will start immediately in the month of January, but we have already started our planning and all. So next academic session, a lot of skill development is going to happen. A lot of skill development based courses we are going to bring in. A lot of opportunity to our students. As I said, that we have a very specialized concept called 9 gems.
9 gems.
9 gems, where we see each and every aspect of personality that we can work with our students. There we can identify their inherent potential, what they are good at, and how we can help them. So that's the kind of a plan for a new academic session. A lot of new opportunity for the students, a lot of new platforms and collaboration. Of course, we are collaborating with a lot of people. We have done all together, all teachers, students, for sustainability and all, and beautiful concept of Kaizen and Gemba. These are the unique concepts that we brought in our school, and which really given our students a kind of they could see that what can be done with society, with the country where they're living, and how they can analyze things around, and what is their role, how important is their role as a young generation. So that this is what all concepts we are concentrating. Our students are remarkably doing well in all the platforms, and I'll tell you, I'm sharing with you, whenever I go to any other school as a guest, they say, Mr. Sharma, your students they were really good, they were so good, and I feel so good about it. Everywhere, any competition is happening in Delhi NCR inter-school competition and all, our students वो जाके वहाँ झंडे गाड़ देते हैं. It's like that. Wow. So yes, we always see that any opportunity coming in, we always tell them that go for it.
Wow, wonderful.
आप करिए, and you will get to see, you will learn हम क्या कर रहे हैं और क्या हो रहा है बाहर, उसको आप देखिए. Similarly, we started a beautiful concept this year called No Bag Day for small students.
Okay, no bag day.
books, nothing.
Okay.
Your parents came and as a resource, as a teacher, and we have hired some skilled people from outside also, and they also, we invited them. They also came to our school. And उस दिन उनको ये लगा कि पढ़ाई से अलावा बाहर क्या हो रहा है, इंडस्ट्री में क्या हो रहा है, किस चीज की चीजें, किस टाइप की चीजें हो रही हैं. तो वो दैट वाज द होल आइडिया दैट आपको कुछ टाइम के लिए दिस इज अलाइंड टू अ नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, वी से 12 days of no bag day. So उसके लिए हमने we started this, and of course we started with 1 or 2 days, but then in future we are going to have more such opportunities for our students.
Wow.
So next year is I must tell you that full of excitement, full of promises,
and you're ready with the calendar. In fact,
yes.
what I could hear it from you, the calendar is so much ready. You're just waiting for 2024 to start.
Right. So I'm sure the students will have a wonderful time, and I really want this carnival culmination will be a kind of a great show for students, a lot of surprises and all. And let's have wonderful memories towards 2023, and let's welcome 2024.
Absolutely. बड़ी खूबसूरत बात मैंने कहीं सुनी है, बात उन्हीं की होती है जिनमें बात होती है. तो आपकी सारी बातों में से निकला कि आपके स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी इंटायर फ्रेटर्निटी, आपका पूरा टीचर ग्रुप, यू बिलोंग टू अ फैमिली जिनमें बात ही बात है. तो यहाँ यही इसी बात से समापन किया जा सकता है. क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस खास सलाम, and we will look forward that we have future more seasons and sessions of खास सलाम, क्योंकि आपकी बातों में से ये निकल रहा है कि हर बात ही खास है. तो एक प्रोग्राम और एक इंटरेक्शन में तो उसको लेकर आना बड़ा मुश्किल होगा, क्योंकि बात निकली है तो बड़ी दूर तक जाएगी, और अब 23 से लेकर 24 तक जाएगी. थैंक यू सो मच सर, इट वाज एंटायरली वेरी वेरी inspiring, and in the same way it was very very energetic to speak with you. I could see the twinkle of that young energetic vibe in your eye, and I would equally look forward that Salam Namaste and the entire community could work with you actively.
Thank you so much for having me here, and thanks to Salam Namaste, a wonderful initiative you people are doing, and I hope that we also become part of such collaboration, such initiative and all, and we do something together, and our students gets a lot of opportunity, such opportunity that we are looking forward. And once again, thank you so much.
Absolutely,
we had a wonderful time.
Absolutely,
and in fact, I enjoyed each and every moment. I must tell you.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I hope you felt like an artist.
Yes.
Yes. देखिए, नई शुरुआतों की शुरुआत हो चुकी है. कहते हैं ना, जब बहुत कुछ नया शुरू करना हो तो शुरू से शुरुआत करनी चाहिए. आज शुरू से शुरुआत वाली एक फीलिंग सी आ रही है.
In fact, I was telling my teachers that FM studios are colorful, they are full of colors and liveliness and all, and I was advised to go with a lot of because otherwise the principals you see in school a lot of seriousness and all. But I was advised to go with a lot of smiley face and a lot of things and all. And I knew it that the way you kind of welcomed, and I really liked it was full of energy.
Wow.
and that energy you shared with us also, and I also felt fully energized, and kind of it's what's happening.
Thank you so much sir.
Today.
This made our day today, and जो हम बार बार ये कह रहे हैं कि कई बार कुछ मुलाकातें ना एक बार खत्म होने के लिए नहीं होती हैं, अगली बार मिलने के वादे के लिए भी होती है. सो कार्निवल में स्वागत के साथ लेट्स विश एवरीबॉडी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3 to 1 we'll say in a similar tone, in the same wavelength. We'll say see you at the carnival and wish you happy 2024. Okay sir, all set? Okay, 3 2 1.
See you at the carnival
and happy 2024. थैंक यू सो मच. सलाम नमस्ते में आज खास सलाम में जुड़ने के लिए, और हर बार जैसा हम कहते हैं, आज की मुलाकात सिर्फ यही नहीं, अगली बार के मिलने के वादे के साथ रहेगी. और तब तक के लिए टिल द नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन वी अगेन गेट टुगेदर इन खास सलाम, खुश रहिए, खुशहाल रहिए, और प्यार से रहिए, आबाद रहिए, सुनते रहिए रेडियो सलाम नमस्ते.
बाय बाय.